Hey YouTubers, Danger Hungry is here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I made a Vietnamese version of pork sausage called Nem Nuong. You can eat this with rice, vermicelli, or some kind of rice wrap. Let's get started. Warning, I make food and drink look and taste very delicious. If you watch my cooking videos, I am not responsible for your cravings. Thank you and have a nice day. I have 1 cup of ground pork ready, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 small shallot chopped. 1 tablespoon of toasted rice powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1/4 teaspoon mixed with rice wine and 5 spice powder. Mix it around. Better to use your hands as long as they're clean. Add 2 drops of red food coloring, which is optional, to give it some nice color. Add a spoonful of water to prevent the pork from drying while cooking. Mix it together. Cover with a plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes or so, time to form the Nem Nuong onto the skewers. This is how I do it. Easy to use plastic wrap to form the ground pork mixture into the skewers. I use about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil so the ground pork don't stick to my hands a lot. With the small skewers I have, grab less than a handful of ground pork and place them on a plastic wrap. Then put the skewers on top and carefully use the plastic wrap to wrap the Nem Nuong with the skewer. Doesn't have to be perfect. Form it to a sausage shape with the skewers in it. I made about 7 of them. Place them in the fridge for 30 minutes to make them a little firm before cooking the Nem Nuong. After 30 minutes, carefully take off the plastic wrap. Place the Nem Nuong onto the baking pan with the foil. You can steam, grill, fry, or pan fry these. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna broil them in the oven until they're fully cooked on each side. And it's done. By the way, I took out the skewers because they were burning so quickly. I served this with lettuce because that's the only kind of vegetables I have at the moment. You can eat this with other vegetables like cucumbers, mint leaves, like Thai basil leaves, etc. And this fish sauce recipe I made, which I'll put in the link down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.